Hi guys, and happy Veganuary. So lots of things are happening in the news. Everyone's going, oh, this month we're going to dedicate this month to Veganuary, which means no meat, no dairy for the whole month. And even the supermarkets are adding and stocking a lot more vegan products in their shops. Now, thing to say, all these fast food, burgers, sausages, make sure they're not high in salt or high in sugar. I'm going to be very boring and say nothing beats cooking from scratch. Today I'm going to be, let me just make sure my thing looks nice. Sorry, today I'm going to be making Ackee Kelp Pie. To a nice pan I put a little bit of oil, rapeseed oil, and then I'm going to add some onion, pepper and garlic. So here is the kelp, and I've been soaking it for about 10 minutes now, so as you can see it's all nice and soft. I finally sliced my kelp. I'm not using that much because it is really strong, that taste of the sea. So there it is, cooking nicely, cooking through, and now it's time for the spices. You know I'm a big fan of turmeric and some seasonal, some chopped coriander. So once again, I thought I had fresh garlic. I don't, so some garlic powder. Lots of herbs. I like lots of herbs in my thing. I'm sure I said that in my last video. And then we're just going to mix all that and let it cook through. So now I'm going to add some ackee. It's a Caribbean fruit. It grows on trees. We can't get it fresh here, unfortunately, so you can buy it in tins from the supermarket. It's very nice. It looks like egg, but it's not. The most important thing to make it have a little bite is a little bit of Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. Just a little bit. My 6-year-old loves pepper sauce. He loves jollof rice, anything with pepper sauce. So now you've seen me make pastry before, and it's just a little small pie I'm making. 400 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter, but I'm going to split the butter, half vegan butter and half coconut. And I'm going to make it breadcrumbs. Always be half my pastry. That's going to be for the top. This is going to be for the bottom. Leaves and make some kind of a design. With my Ackee Kelp Pie, I'm going to make a red pepper and tomato salad. I'm going to have some sprouts with it. So vegan, it's really good to make sure you have green things and different coloured things on your plate. So guys, delicious. The kelp gives it that sea type flavour. Be careful, don't use too much kelp though because it'll be very strong. But actually I've got some avocado. I might add some avocado to this. It's Saturday evening and I have just finished teaching my class. Now with the boys, they're watching Moana and I am eating my Ackee Pie again for the second time. Ah, my child is trying to bite me and it tastes really nice the second day. Please like and subscribe. New videos will be uploaded every Sunday. Happy Veganuary!